5 juices you ought to drink and 5 you shouldn't. While not all juices are terrible for you, a significant number of the ones promoted as solid might be the polar opposite. Some locally acquired and handcrafted juices do for sure gloat nutrients and supplements that add to a sound eating regimen when devoured, else you're eating and drinking during the day. All things considered, be careful with bogus naming, fake flavorings, net added substances, and high sugar substances. To assist you with beginnings on arranging the great from the terrible, here's a lead of juices to add to your everyday practice and others you should imagine don't exist. Tart Cherry Juice. While many natural product juices aren't as sound as you might suspect, tart cherry juice is a major exemption. As tart cherries are stacked with cell reinforcements and mitigating operators, its juice structure can be an incredible refreshment to devour with some restraint in the event that you carry on with a functioning way of life. A recent report shows that drinking tart cherry juice can lessen muscle torment during running. Additionally, the cell reinforcements in this juice can assist with fighting off coronary illness, malignancy, and weakening sickness that come from maturing. As well, it can assist you with resting better and even forestall the advancement of gout. Pickle juice.
Before you dispose of the extra squeeze from your preferred container of pickles, consider its huge medical advantages. Evidently, drinking pickle juice is only the activity following a difficult night of liquor utilization. Since liquor causes parchedness, this briny juice can assist with recharging exhausted sodium levels. Competitors additionally love pickle juice since it encourages them keep up their electrolyte balance post-exercise. Furthermore, the vinegar content in pickle juice helps assimilation by advancing a purity of microorganism and vegetation. Also, for the women, drinking it can ease cramps during PMS and check your yearnings for pungent nourishments. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice delectable and thoroughly invigorating, but on the other hand it's shockingly bravo, since it's included generally water, there's not a ton of space for high sugar content. Furthermore, watermelon is an extraordinary wellspring of lycopene, which has been appeared to decrease the danger of skin malignancy. Citrulline, an amino-corrosive found in the organic product, can likewise empower better blood flow and diminish touchiness after you participate in physical action. Referred to considers have demonstrated that devouring watermelon and its juice can assist with battling against liver harm and improve kidney well-being. Bitter gourd juice. In case you're not previously drinking unpleasant gourd juice, you might need to consider beginning quickly. The organic product may resemble an ad rough cucumber name recommends. It likewise has a ton, making it work loaded with supplements like iron, potassium, nutrient, and magnesium. It brags a not insignificant rundown medical advantages. The juice from this brilliant green organic product has been appeared to keep up glucose levels with its common insulin and lower cholesterol, notwithstanding helping you keep up glossy locks and away from because of its high substance of cell reinforcements. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice has for quite some time been praised for its different medical advantages, remembering its job for malignant growth avoidance, invulnerable framework well-being, and ripeness. This nutritious drink is stuffed with cell reinforcements and gives calming impacts that may assist with forestalling numerous infections. Referred to considers show that pomegranate juice can likewise help in improving memory and cerebrum capacities. The reward: this awesome red juice is staggeringly reviving and tasty for sure. 5 juices you shouldn't. Sunny Delight. Sunny Delight is definitely not. While this item is noticeably promoted as a child benevolent squeezed orange, that it is 60 calories or less and gives 100% nutrient C.
It's in reality more like an insane science explore in the event that you investigate the wholesome data. The initial two fixings are water and high fructose corn syrup followed by altered cornstarch, some canola oil, gosh it's not a problem, cellulose gum, and a small bunch of other insane-sounding added substances alongside 2% or less in natural product concentrate and flavorings. Juice. I think not. Remain away.
Snapple. While Snapple organic product beverages may appear to be a more beneficial option in contrast to sodas, this drinks really contain almost as much sugar as pop and at times significantly more calories. A 16-ounce container of Snapple fruit juice has 200 calories for every serving and 47 grams of sugar, while a similar measure of Coca-Cola has 190 calories and 52 grams of sugar. While Snapple may introduce itself as more healthy than other sweet beverages, it's fundamentally simply one more sweet beverage. Honest Kids Juice Drinks. Genuine Children, a brand possessed by Coca-Cola, makers natural juice drinks for kids. Purchasers may see natural and accept these cutesy pockets are solid for their kids. Nonetheless, on the off chance that you look on the organization's site, you will see that their squeezed orange beverage really contains just 31% juice. Different flavors are made with even less genuine juice made with more sifted water than juice and other characteristic flavors. I'd state you're in an ideal situation drinking an invigorating glass of tap. V8 Splash. V8 Splash, made with generally water and high fructose corn syrup. V8 sprinkle drinks contain little squeeze and utilize fake sugars. The lemonade flavor is sweet and loaded with added substances, including counterfeit shading and unpronounceable fixing names. In case you're searching for a sound juice to extinguish your thirst, you should skirt these profoundly handled sweet beverages that attempt to go as nutritious. Kool Aid. Kool Aid. Kindly don't drink the Kool Help. Regardless of whether you utilize the powder or fluid blend, this pervasive refreshment just approximates squeeze, yet it's not even close to the genuine article. The blend itself is made with water, added substances, and fake flavors before you add heaps of sugar to deliver the mix insignificantly drinkable. Totally ailing in healthy benefit. Nothing but bad can happen to devouring Kool Aid on the reg.